Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Riverside Success. You already know mi casa is your casa. We're on our way to the warehouse. We're about to go see what's up, see what we can post, and we'll see what we can flip, guys. So this is vlog number 3, guys. Please like, subscribe, and do all that. Comment. Let's go. We're gonna go hard this year, you know. So let's get it. Pull up to the warehouse. See what's open. Okay. What up, buddy? Hey guys, so my uncle came back with a new shipment. My uncle just went last week, now he's back again. And so right now he got a full truck. So we're gonna see if we can take everything out, and then we're gonna set it up on this table, and then we're gonna see what's money and what's not, and then either way we're gonna flip it and make some money. So this is the big truck that they take to go get the shipment, and so he's reinvesting the money into the business, and so that's what you got to do in order to grow. So stay tuned, guys. Got done. So this is how it looks now after everything is already put up, and so we empty the truck down, and so let me get up here real quick. So as you guys can see, that's all the inks. This is all ink right here. And so right now, since we got a lot of ink, I'm gonna start with the ink because that's what I hate posting the least, because it's so boring. And then we got a bunch of chairs, all those things over there, you know, those are like hardware stuff, furniture, printers, and then these are all computer monitors, screens. So it wasn't too bad. And then a bunch of, you know, miscellaneous stuff. Got a few paper shredders, and over here, you know, got some, you know, cool little gadgets and stuff that you can flip easy, quick money on Facebook. And so, like I said, I'm gonna get started on the ink. I hate doing the ink, like I don't like it at all. But we're gonna do it, so because this is real, this is brand ink. So this sells pretty quick on eBay for the right price. And we got, as you guys can see, this is all ink right here. So not too amazing, but hey, as long as it puts money in your wallet, you're good. So this is all ink, guys. And so I've got it separated by brands and numbers. And then and I'm gonna go one by one to the station and start posting them and start making some money, guys. So let's get it, because we ain't gonna make money if we don't do anything. So I'm working on the cartridges and all the ink, toner, all that stuff, the printers. So slowly but surely we're emptying all this, and hold on, and we're gonna post them on eBay. And so far we got these right here. So far what we got going, and the homie over here's got those going over there. So there's still a lot left, and as you guys can see, there's still a few left over here, and we're doing our best to empty them out, you know. So gotta look up the price, gotta see what we're gonna sell it for, and you know, just wait and wait for the cash. But yeah, guys, we just posted these. These were one of the first ones I posted after we unloaded the truck, and we just sold it. Cash money. Yes, sir. So we're selling both of them for $130. We gave him a deal, but we still made some money off them. So that's the first sell for the day. All right, guys. So we ended the day, and this is what we got done so far. We still got a lot of work to do, but so far we got pretty much good start to the week. And over here, I mean, as you guys can see, we still have all this to post. I mean, all this hasn't been posted, but that gives us, you know, that gives us work every day to do. And then you know, we're staying consistent. So that's the thing, guys. You know, like today, you know, lately the eBay sales have been slow, but that's the game. You know, sometimes, you know, it's not always, you know, money, you know, like, but eventually, you know, it hits, and you'll make a lot of money. But that's the thing, you gotta stay, you know, dedicated to the craft, and really you know, don't give up, and don't assume like it can't be done. Like I said, we still got all this to do over here, and not even counting the small ones right here that we gotta post. So as you can see, there's a lot of work to do, guys. So I'll be uploading this vlog today, and I'll be vlogging tomorrow again, and I'll be posting another vlog tomorrow. So hopefully you guys like the content. Hopefully you guys like to see. So far, you know, I'm showing you guys just the ink stuff, because that's what I'm trying to get through first. And then as we go, I'll show you guys the other products that, you know, we're gonna flip. So thank you guys. Have a great day. Please like, subscribe, do all that stuff, guys. Thank you so much for the love you guys have been giving me and the channel, the subscribers. It's you know, it's growing slowly but surely. And you know, that's what we're doing, guys. You know, diversified success, guys, all the way. Mi casa is your casa, my channel is your channel.